Hello guys, we will try to explore, okay, the game, the game called Damath. So sa grade 9 nilalaro yung Damath, pero yung nakalagay dito, yung content dito ay mga radicals. Okay, as you see, mga radicals yung mga nakalagay. Okay, halimbawa ito, 4 square root of 18. Okay, taman-saman sa red ito, sample yan, no? It's negative 9 square root of 2. Okay, balik lang natin. So magpareho lang yan yung mga numbers dito at saka dito, kaya lang iba lang yung colors, symmetric yung pagkakalagay. Ito yung kanyang kalaban dito, ito yung kanyang kalaban na partner, 100 square root of 2 na dito yun, and then 144 square root of 8 dito, 144 square root of 8. So ito yung mga kailangan sa paglalaro ng Damath. Okay, kailangan ng siyempre mga players, dalawang players na maglalaro sa blue at saka sa red. And then ito yung score sheet, pinalaki ko lang siya. Ito hindi siya yung ginagamit talaga, pinalaki ko lang para makita ninyo. And Damath board, ito Damath board saka Damath chips. Okay, so kailangan din ng calculator para sa pagtototal ng mga score. Hindi gagamitin yung calculator habang naglalaro pa sa loob ng 20 minutes na laruan. Okay, ngayon kailangan din natin ng clock. Okay, gagamitin ko yung chess clock. Okay, kasi madaling gamitin. 20 minutes lang. Okay, yung magagamit na time. Okay, hindi ito ipupush na katulad ng paglaro ng chess. So under lang siya, parang countdown timers lang. Okay, katulad ng mga cellphone, mga countdown timers, pwedeng gamitin yan. So in this case, gagamitin ko lang yung chess clock as my timer. Okay, now we will start. So before mag-start, una gagawin ay magkakaroon muna ng toss coin. Okay, toss coin or draw lots. So dito, yung mga nakikita ko sa mga Damath tournament ay toss coin yung ginagamit. Kung sino, ito yung magde-decide kung sino ang unang mag-move. Okay, so for example, okay, red. Okay, red. Okay, whoever is the red dito, kung sino man yung naka ng red, I think siguro mag-ano muna tayo, accomplish ng form. Okay, before mag-start ng toss coin. Okay, halimbawa, pinili na yung red. Ito, dito si red. Okay, sulat niyo yung kanyang team. Halimbawa, team Wario, team box. Okay, team box. Dito naman sa blue, team wolves. Okay, so lagay ng mga players sa kanilang mga pangalan. Halimbawa, John. Dito naman si Dave. Halimbawa, De La Cruz. Lagay rin ang apelido. Dito naman Dave Santos. Okay, Dave Santos. Halimbawa lang, ha? So, mga sample na pangalan lang yan. Okay, tapos yung school, sabihin natin HIS. HIS. Ito naman sabihin natin VIS. Yung mga school. Division. Sabihin natin Tacloban City. Dito Tacloban City rin. Okay, tapos grade level. Grade 9. Ito naman grade 9. Okay, now, nakasulat na lahat. Ang gagawin na lang ay magto-toss coin. Balik lang natin, toss coin muna. Okay? Halimbawa, si red, gusto niya yung tail. Tapos yung blue is head. Okay, so yung arbiter yung magde-decide. Ito yung gagamitin ng arbiter. Okay? So, ganito, sample. Okay. So, lumabas ay head. Okay, so it's the time for the blue to move the first move. Okay, so unang move ay sa blue. Okay, so dito tayo sa blue. Okay, So, yung move ay puro lang mga ganon. Okay, so dito lang sa may mga signs. So, diagonal lang. Okay. So, 4 square root of 18. Okay, lalagay dito sa score sheet 4 square root of 18. Okay, ito yung kanyang move. So, maglagay siya ng arrow. Okay. Yung kanyang coordinate, 4 square root of 18 ay dito. Okay. Ito yung kanyang x, ito yung y values. So, 4, 3. So, 4, 3. Open parenthesis, lagay ng 4, saka 3. Okay. So, dito, next is, magmumove naman yung red. So, red. Negative 9 square root of 2. So, negative 9. Then, square root of 2. To the coordinate, arrow. 7, 4. Open parenthesis, 7, 4. So, wala pang score dito at saka dito kasi nag-move pa lang sila. Then, the blue will move negative 9 square root of 2 to the coordinate 0, 3. So, negative 9 square root of 2 to the coordinate 0, 3. Okay, sunod, mag-move naman ng red. Ito, 16 square root of 32. Okay, so this is 16 square root of 32. Red. So, that's 16 square root of 32. To the coordinate, yung coordinate niya ay 1, 4. So, 1, 4. Okay. Pagkatapos ay yung blue naman. So, wala pa namang dyan pwede makain or matake. So, dito muna siguro si blue. Okay. Blue. Negative 49. Okay. Negative 49. Yan. Okay. That's it. So, negative 49 square root of 8. Para sa blue. Okay. Arrow to the coordinate 1, 2. So, that is 1, 2. Okay. Ito naman, si red. Move naman yung kanyang move is negative square root of 8. Okay, so negative square root of 8 to the coordinate 5, 4. So, negative square root of 8 to the coordinate 5, 4. Okay, ngayon, it's time for the blue to move. So, you notice, mayroon dito, pwedeng i-take na chip kasi vacant dito yung succeeding after that chip. Okay, so, ganito yung pagkain niya o pag-take ng chip ng red. Okay, ito yung blue. So, it's time for the blue to take this chip. So, 4 square root of 18. So, this is 4 square root of 18. So, yung unang chip, yung unang hawakan mo, yun yung susulat mo una. So, 4 square root of 18, divide. So, divided by. So, yung operation dito ay divided by, okay, negative square root of 8. Negative square root of 8. So, kukunin niya yung negative square root of 8. Okay, wala na dyan sa board yung negative square root of 8. So, ngayon, ilalagay pa rin niya yung coordinate. Yung bagong coordinate niya is, saan na yun? Okay, 6, 5. Okay, 6, 5. Yung kanyang coordinate. Ngayon, magko-compute na yung blue. So, yung computation pala ay good only for 20 minutes. 20 minutes, 1 minute lang yung pag-move. Okay. So, ganito. Ito, 4 square root of 18. Okay, salat natin dito. 4 square root of 18 Okay, ayaw gumana. Okay. Ayaw niyang gumana. Wala talaga. Okay. So, dito na lang ako. Magsimulat. Ito. Wala na akong pen. Okay. So, let's have 4. Okay, 4 square root of 18. Okay, divided by negative square root of 8. Okay, yun yung computation natin sa blue. Now, gawin natin is you're going to transform this to another form. Ito yung divide, gagawin natin bar na lang. So, 4 square root of 18 muna. Itong una, then ito na. A vertical arrangement natin. So, negative square root of 8. Ganyan. Now, let's have, gagawin natin is simplify muna natin. Simplify ng 4 square root of 18 ay ganito. Kung hindi nyo pa alam yung simplified form, ganito yung pag-simplify. 4. Okay, kuha ng factor ng negative 18. Anong ng 18. Positive 18 ng factor na perfect square. Okay, that is 9 times 2. So, 9 times 2 over, ito naman. So, negative. Yung 8 naman, yung factor ng 8 na perfect square ay 4. So, yung isa na lang ay 2. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. 9 times 2 is 18. Pagkatapos no, kumuha ng factor, perfect square factor, kunin mo yung square root ng 9. The square root of 9 is 3. Okay, so copy yung 4, then multiply ng 3. Yung square root of 9 nandito na sa labas. 3. Mamultiply lang sa nasa labas na number. Ayan, 2. Square root of 2. Then negative. Square root of 4 is 2. So, 2. Labas. Then natira na lang sa loob ng radical sign ay 2. Now, this time pwede natin silang divide. Square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 is equal to 1. So, tanggal na. Equal to 1 na sila. Then, multiply na lang yung 4 times 3. So, 4 times 3 is 12. 12. Then, negative times positive 2, that's negative 2. Then, divide natin. 12 divided by negative 2. So, magkaiba sila ng sign. So, therefore, negative yung sagot sa division. So, negative 6. Ito yung score ng nakuha ng blue. So, negative 6. Isusulat nyo dito sa score column. That's negative 6. Yan. Ngayon, ito naman si red. Okay, so red naman yung kakain na to. Take the sheet. So, negative 49. Okay, square root of 8 takes 4 square root of 18. 18, that is negative, that's division. Okay, so magdi-divide. Divide. So, negative 49. Okay, negative 49 square root of 8. Okay, yung operation is divide. So, divided by 4 square root of 18. Okay, yung coordinate niya ay, so kukunin natin yung 4 square root of 18. Coordinate ng red ay 5, 4. So, 5, 4. Okay, now, we will have a computation for the red. Okay, magko-compute naman yung red. Okay, so, sa likod siguro yan. Red computation. So, negative to. So, negative 49 square root of 8. Square root of 8 divided by 4 square root of 18. So, same process. Isi-simplify muna natin. O ita-transform sa ibang forma. naka-vertical arrangement, negative 49 square root of 8 divided by 4 square root of 18 para mas madali yung pag-cancel natin. Okay, so the simplified form of negative 49, hindi ko na-explain kasi na-explain ko na kanina. Negative 49 square root of 8 is negative 98 square root of 2 over the simplified form of 4 square root of 18 is 12 square root of 2. So this time, pwede natin i-divide yung square root of 2 square root of 2 as 1. So wala na sila. Okay? Now we have negative 98 over 12. Pwede ba natin siyang i-reduce sa lowest term? So, pwede naman. Okay, so pwede silang divide dalawa by 2. So, negative 98 divided by 2, that's negative 49 over divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, the answer is 6. So, ito yung score nakuha ng red, negative 49 over 6. So, isulat dito, negative 49 over 6. Okay, yung score. Okay, next. So, ito naman, it's time for the blue to move. Sabihin natin na move ng blue ay 16 square root of 32. Okay, so 16 square root of 32, so that means 16 square root of 32 to the coordinate 6, 3. To the coordinate 6, 3. So walang score. Ngayon, ito naman is it's the turn for the red to take. So ito na. Pwede ito or pwede dito. So, pinili niya ay dito na lang sa plus. Okay, so negative 9 plus negative 9 square root of 2. That's ready, no? Negative 9 square root of 2. So, plus 16 square root of 32. 16 square root of 32. So, to the coordinate, the new coordinate for this is dito 5, 2. 5, 2. Okay, so gagawin natin, magko-compute lang tayo. Okay, so let's compute for the answer. Okay, let's compute for the answer. Ito. So, negative 9. Okay, negative 9. Kita ba? Okay. Pug lang natin sa ng kaunti. Diyan. Okay, so negative 9 square root of, okay, negative 9. So negative 9 square root of 2 plus 16 square root of 32. So, let's simplify muna. Hindi pwedeng mag-add kasi ito magkaiba sila ng radicand. So, simplify muna natin. Ito nag-simplify na, no problem. Okay na yan. Plus, okay. The simplified form of 16 square root of 32 is 64 square root of 2. Ngayon, magpareha na silang square root of 2. So, ito muna. Sulat muna natin yung common radical. Radicand. Square root of 2. Kakopyanin natin. Ito yung ating operate. Saka ito. Okay, so negative 9 and 60, positive 64, magsasubtract tayo kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. So, 64 minus 9. Sagot ay 55. That's 55. Okay, so 55 square root of 2. So, positive kasi 64, the positive has greater absolute value and that is 64. So, positive 55 square root of 2. So, susulat natin yung score na ito dito sa red. So, 55 square root of 2. 55 square root of 2. Okay, klaro ba? Okay, medyo lang. Now, this time, ang gagawin natin ay ito naman, para sa blue naman, yung blue to move. So, meron siyang dalawang option. Pwede ito, or pwede dito. At saka, dito. So, ayon sa rule, sa guideline ng Damath, pwede naman dito, di ba? O pwede rin dyan. Okay, so kahit saan pwede. So, hindi natin i-apply dito yung MDAS rule. So, yung pinili ng blue, for example, ito. Dyan. So, 64 square root of 2 minus. Okay, so 64 square root of 2 minus negative 9. Okay, square root of 2. Maglagay ng parentheses, tapos negative 9, then square root of 2. So, pagkatapos, ano yung bagong, ang coordinate nito ay ito, ang blue is 4, 3. So, coordinate 4, 3. Okay, compute muna natin. Before tayo mag-move, di ba? Kunin natin yan. So, compute muna natin yung sagot. Okay, so try natin kung gagana na yung ating pen. Okay, sulat natin. Sa blue tayo ha. So 64 square root of 2. 64 square root of 2. Ano ba? Medyo lang. So 64. Ayaw talaga. Okay, so we'll use another pen. Okay. So this one. Okay, dito tayo sa blue. Okay, that's 64 square root of 2. For square root of 2, okay, minus parenthesis. Maglagay tayo ng parenthesis para ma-separate natin yung negative na isa. So, negative 9 square root of 2. So, dito yon. Okay? So, simplify muna natin ito. No need to simplify. It's already simplified. So, 64 square root of 2. So, nakasimplify din ito. Ang gagawin na natin ay isingle natin yung sign. So, negative and negative multiply will give you positive. So, 9 square root of 2. Pagkatapos, pwede natin i-add. Okay, so, ang gagawin natin, copy lang yung common predicand na 2. But, we need to add 64 and 9. So, 64 plus 9. So, the answer is 73. Okay, tama ba? So, that's 73 square root of 2. So, ito yung sagot sa operation. Okay, ilalagay dito yung score ng blue, 73 square root of 2. 73 square root of 2. Diyan. Okay. So, ngayon, mayroon pang isang move. Okay, so 64 takes 64 square root of 2 takes negative 49 square root of 8, pero pupunta dun sa division. Okay, so 64 square root of 2. Okay, divided by negative. So, divided by negative 49 square root of 8. Okay, so yung kanyang coordinate na bago, kukunin na natin ito. Ang coordinate ay 6, 5. Okay, 6, 5. So natin dito yung 6, 5 na coordinate. Now, isusog na naman natin yung problem na yan. Okay, yung score. Ano ba yung score dyan? Okay. So, let's have 64. Okay, 64 square root of 2 divided by negative 49 square root of 8. So, So, transform mo na sa vertical form. 64 square root of 2 divided by negative 49. Okay, negative 49 square root of 8. So, let's have, okay, 64 square root of 2. And then, simplify negative 49 square root of 8. The answer is negative 98 square root of 2. So, this time, pwede natin siyang i-divide yung pareho. So, mawawala na yan kasi that is equal to 1. So, what will happen, meron na lang tayong 64 over negative 98. So, anong pwedeng maka-divide sa 64 and negative 98? Pwede sa 2. Pwede siguro sa 2. Okay, so, divide 64 divided by 2 will give us an answer of 32. What about here? Negative 98 divided by 2. So, that is negative 49. So, hindi na natin siya pwedeng ma-reduce sa lowest term kasi wala na silang common factor except 1. So, this time, meron siyang score na 32 over negative 49. So, 32, sulat natin 32 over negative 49. Ito yung kanyang score. Okay, ngayon, let's have the red. Okay, sa red naman. Kakain din ito si red, no? So, negative 25 square root of 18 takes 64 square root of 2. Pero sa multiplication sign. So, negative 25 square root of 18. So, notice natin na napunta siya dito. So, maglagay muna tayo ng vacant. Ibakante muna dyan. So, dito na tayo sa equivalent na move niya. That is negative 25. Okay, so negative 25 square root of 18. Okay, so times. So, parenthesis yung gagamitin natin na symbol sa multiplication. 64 square root of 2. Okay, the coordinate is 7, 4. So, 7, 4. Okay. So, let's compute. Kukunin na ng red yung sheet na yan. Okay. So, let's compute. For the red, negative 25 square root of 18 times 64 square root of 2. So, in this position, pwede nang hindi siya i-simplify. Okay na yan. Kaya lang, mas maganda simplify muna. So, what is the simplified form of negative 25 square root of 18? The answer is negative 75 square root of 2. Okay? So, maglagay tayo ng arrow para sa procedural o procedure or steps. And then, ito, 64 square root of 2, kopya na lang kasi nakasimplify na siya. Okay, pagkatapos, we will do the multiplication process. So, ito at saka 64 negative 75 and positive 64 multiply. Okay, tingnan natin kung anong sagot. So, 64 times 75. Okay, ginagawa ko to kasi hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng calculator. So, this is 20, 32. So, that is 30 plus 2, that's 32. 32, 28, carry 2, that's 42 plus 2. That's 44. Then add 0, 10, carry 1, 8, and then 4. Okay, so the answer is 4,800. Since negative and positive sila, we expect negative. So negative 4,800. Tapos ito naman yung dalawa. So nasa loob, i-multiply. kung sa addition at sa subtraction, kinokopya lang, dito, multiply talaga. So, 2 times 2 will give you positive 4. And then, hindi pa siya nakasimplify, copy muna ng 4,800. Then, get the square root of 4 is positive 2. Okay, now, we need to multiply negative 4,800 by 2. So, the answer is 0, 0, 16 carry 1, that is 9. That's negative 9,600. Yung score na nakuha ng red. So, let's copy negative 9,600. Okay, yun. Yung score na nakuha ng red. Okay, ngayon, ito na tayo sa blue. Okay, the blue will move negative square root of 8. Okay, so lalagay dito ng blue, negative square root of 8 to the coordinate 2, 3. The coordinate 2, 3. Okay, so this time, it's about time para kumain ng red. Okay, ito, 16 square root of 32. Okay, takes negative square root of 8 times yung sign. Okay, so 16 red, move. So 16 square root of 32. Okay, what's the operation? Times. So times, gamit tayo ng parentheses, negative square root of 8. Okay, so the coordinate for the red is 3, 2. 3, 2. Okay, so kukunin nyo yung negative square root of 8. Okay, so let's compute for the score para sa red team o sa red na player. By the way, sila lang yung dalawa. Kung red yung player ng red, siya lang yung magko-compute. Sa blue naman, siya lang. Walang ibang magko-compute kundi silang dalawa lang. Okay, so good for a minute lang yung computation. Okay, let's have compute 16 square root of 32. Okay, 16 square root of 32 times negative square root of 8. Okay, mas maganda simplify muna natin. So, simplified form ng 16 square root of 32 is 64 square root of 2. Okay? Now, what about negative square root of 8? So, the simplified form is negative 2 square root of 2. Okay. Now, paano ba ito pag multiply? Anyway, di ba, this parenthesis and parenthesis, tawag dyan multiplication. Okay, so multiplication yung parenthesis na ginagamit natin dito. So, how to multiply? So, 64 and negative 2 muna. So, 64 times negative 2, itong dalawa, will give you 8, 12. So, that is positive and negative, multiply. So, magkaiba ng sign, automatic negative yung sign. And then, ito naman, also 2 and 2, multiply. 2 times 2, the answer is 4. And then continue. So, copy negative 128. And then get the square root of 4, which is 2. So, mamamultiply na siya sa negative 128. So, the answer here is 16 multiplying negative 128 times 2. So, 16 carry 1. This is 5. So, this is negative 2. So, negative 256 is the answer for the solution dito sa red. Okay, so negative 256 yung score. Okay, now this time it's time for the blue to take another sheet. Pwede dito, pwede rin dito. So, saan kayo yung maganda? Okay, so pinili niya 36 square root of 32 divided by. Okay, so let's go. 36 square root of 32 Sulat natin yung blue, no? 36 square root of 32. Okay. Divided by, so the division is the sign there. So divided by 16 square root of 32. 16 square root of 32 to the coordinate. Yung coordinate dito ng blue ay 2, 3. That's 2, 3. Okay, so let's compute. Compute lang natin para sa blue. So ito yung gagawin ng blue. 36 square root of 32 divided by 16 square root of 32. So ilagay natin sa vertical form. 36 square root of 32 over 16 square root of 32. Okay. So this time, pwede naman natin diretso na i-divide yung square root of 32 kasi magpareho naman sila. O, wala na yan. So that's equal to 1. So yung natira na lang ay 36 over 16. So can we reduce 36 over 16 into smaller fraction? We say, so 36 pwede ma-divide ng 4, pwede ma-divide ng 16. So 36 divided by 4, the answer is 9. And 16 divided by 4, the answer is 4. So the lowest term is 9 over 4. So ilagay natin dito para sa blue. Okay, that's 9 over 4. 9 over 4. Okay, sa susunod, ito naman, kukunin na yung chip. Okay. Now this time, it's about time for the red to move. So, ginawa niya ay ito. Yan. 4 square root of 18. So, may 4 square root of 18. Okay, to the coordinate 3, 4. So, lagay dito 3, 4. Okay. Next, blue naman. Now, yung blue will take this piece kasi okay na dyan, no? Pwedeng kumain yung 36 square root of 32. So, the blue will take 4 square root of 18. So, 36 square root of 32 divided by, so, hindi pala divide, times. So, times 4 square root of 18. So, parenthesis, 4 square root of 18 to the coordinate. Para sa blue is 4, 5. So, 4, 5. Okay, kukunin niya ng blue. Then, they will compute. Let's find the answer. Okay. So, dito, 36 square root of 32. Okay, 36 square root of 32. Okay. Then, times 4 square root of 18. Okay. So, 36 square root of 32 times 4 square root of 18. Okay, let's compute. So, i-reduce muna natin sa simplified form para mas maganda. Mas madali. So, 36 square root of 2, the simplified form is 144 square root of 2 times the simplified form of 4 square root of 18 is 12 square root of 2. Okay, now this time multiply na natin. 144 tapos 12 multiply. What do you think is the answer? So, gagawin dito tayo mag-solve. 144 times 12. So, 8, 8. To 8, 8, 2, then 4, then 4, then 1. So 8, 12 carry 1, that is 7, 1. So 1,728. So positive. Ito naman, multiply dito. Okay, kung sa addition, kinakopya lang itong mga common radicand, dito muna minumultiply. Copy the square root, then 4, 2 times 2 will give you positive 4. Now, simplify natin. 1,728. Get the square root of 4, which is 2. So, square root of 2. The square root of 4 is 2. Then, multiply times 2. So, times 2, 16 carry 1. This is 5. 14 carry 1. That's 3. So, 3,456. This is the score for the blue. So, ngayon, 3,456. Okay. So, that's it. Now, for the red, kakain naman yung red, no? Ito. So, ito. Yung 36 square root of 32. So, sulat niya, 36 square root of 32 divided by 36 square root of 32. So, 36 square root of 32 divided by 36 square root of 32. So, the coordinate, yung bagong coordinate ay 5, 4. So, dito 5, 4. Okay, 5, 4. Kunin niya ito. Yan. So, let's solve. Para sa red. So, paano ba solve para sa red? Kasi lang naman siguro. 36. Okay. So, let's have 36 square root of 32 divided by 36 square root of 32. So, magpareho lang. Okay, that's dito para sa red. 30 square root of 32 divided by 36 square root of 32. So, ilagay natin sa vertical form. So, 36 square root of 32 then divided by 36 square root of 32. So, this is 1. This is 1. So, of course, the final answer is just simple 1. 36 divided by 32. 36 divided by 32. 36 square root of 32 divided by 36 square root of 32 is it's 1. Okay, so lagay natin yung score na 1. Okay, sa score na column. Okay, sa score. Okay, pagkatapos, it's time for the blue to move. Okay, ito naman. Negative 9 square root of 2. Okay, so negative 9 square root of 2. Negative 9 square root of 2. Okay, so to the coordinate 1, 4. So 1, 4. Okay, now ito 64 square root of 2 ng red. Okay, 64 square root of 2. 64 square root of 2 to the coordinate 0, 5. Okay, 0, 5. Ngayon. Okay, negative 49 square root of 8 para sa blue. So, negative 49 square root of 8 to the coordinate 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, so ito naman, negative 25 square root of 18 to the coordinate. So, red. Negative 25 square root of 18 to the coordinate 6, 3. Okay, 6, 3. Okay, ito naman. Si blue. 100 square root of 2. So, 100 square root of 2 to the coordinate 4, 1. Okay, so 4, 1. Okay, so red naman. Red will move negative 81 square root of 32. So negative 81 square root of 32 to the coordinate 3, 6. 3, 6. Okay? So, 3, 6. By this time, sa blue naman. Yung blue will move 100 square root of 2. So, 100 square root of 2 to the coordinate 5, 2. So, 5, 2. Okay, this time ito, kakain na ng hapunan. Mali. Yung red. Okay, so negative 25 square root of 18 times 100 square root of 2. So, negative 25 square root of 18, okay, times 100 square root of 2 to the coordinate 4, 1. Okay, 4, 1. Okay, kukunin natin to 100 square root of 2 para sa red. Okay, so complete naman natin para sa red. Natin para sa red computation. So let's have negative. Okay, so negative 25 square root of 18. Okay, so let's have negative 25 square root of 18. Okay, times 100 square root of 2. So here, pwede man natin simplify na lang yung negative 25 square root of 18. So the answer is negative 75. Okay, negative 75 square root of 2 times yung 100 square root of 2, same pa rin, nakasimplify na naman siya. Okay, so this time multiply. So what will you do? Negative 75 and 100 multiply. So the answer is negative 25, negative 75 times 100 is negative times positive, it's negative. So the answer here is negative 7500. So negative 7,500. Then multiply also the radicand. So square root of 2 times 2, the answer is 4. And after that, i-simplify natin muna. Simplify. Negative 75, negative 7,500, square root of 4 is 2. Okay, now, ito tayo sa taas siguro. So, negative 7,500 times 2, the answer is negative 0, 0, then 10, carry 1, that's 14, 15. Tama ba? So, that's 15,000 is the answer. This negative 15,000 is the score for the red. Okay, so negative 15,000 yung score na nakuha ng red. Okay, this time ito naman yung blue. So, doon naman yung kakain. No? Negative 81 square root of 32 plus. So, plus. Okay. So, negative 81 square root of 32 plus negative 25 square root of 18. Naka-parenthesis, negative 25 square root of 18. Then to the coordinate, coordinate 5, 2. Okay, 5, 2. 5, 2. Okay, so let's solve for blue. Okay, so let's solve. So we have here negative 81 square root of 32 plus negative 25 square root of 18. Okay, ganyan. So let's solve. So simplify muna natin yung negative 81 square root of 32. The answer here is negative 324 square root of 2. Okay, plus, parenthesis muna, negative 75, negative 25 square root of 18. Simplify natin, so maging negative 75 square root of 2. Okay, so negative 324 square root of 2, copy lang. Okay, gawin natin na isa yung sign. So, multiply na natin yung negative sa positive. So, negative times positive will give you negative. So, negative 75 square root of 2. As you notice, meron tayong parehong negative. So, since magpareho silang negative, we're going to copy the common sign negative and add 3 to 4 and 75. So, let's add 75 and 324, 993. So, negative 399. Okay, tama ba? Okay, tama. Then, copy the common radicand square root of 2. So, ito yung sagot sa operation na plus doon sa taas. Okay, this is for the blue. So, si blue nakukuha ng negative na 399 square root of 2. Okay, now, it's about time for the red to move. Okay, so red to move is, halimbawa na move niya ay negative 81 square root of 32. So, negative 81 square root of 32. Okay, to the coordinate 4, 5. 4, 5. So, 4, 5. Now, let's have something 4, 5. Okay, for the blue naman. Okay, for the blue. The blue will move. Okay, for example, ito. Negative 81 square root of 32. So, negative 81 square root of 32 to the coordinate 4, 3. So, 4, 3. Okay? Now, this time, it's about time for the red to eat or to take negative 81 square root of 32. So, 36 square root of 32 times. Okay, times. Copy muna. So, 36 square root of 32 times negative 18 square root, negative 81, sorry, negative 81 square root of 32. Okay, so kukuha din na ng red, blue chip. So, let's compute. Oh, by the way, that's the new coordinate is 3, 2. So, that is 3, 2. Let's compute for that problem. Okay. So, let's compute. We have here 36. Okay, 36. Ito. So, tingnan natin. This 36 square root of 32. 36 square root of 32 times negative 81 square root of 32. So, times negative 81 square root of 32. So, ganyan. Now, i-simplify muna natin dito. So, 36 square root of 32, pwede i-simplify, pwede hindi, pero mas maganda i-simplify. So, 36 square root of 32 is 144 square root of 2. Times, i-simplify din natin yung negative 81 square root of 32. So, that is negative 324 square root of 2. Well, now, this time, multiply na natin. 144 times negative 324. So, I will try to use multiplication, simple multiplication for this. So, 3 to 4. And we have here 16 carry 1. That is 16 carry 1. 15 carry 1. So, this is 5. So, this is 8. This is 8. 8, 8. Then 2. Then, we have here 12. Carry 1. So, this is 12 plus 1. 13 carry 1. So, 3. That's 4. 6. That is 13 carry 1. And that is 13. Plus 1. Plus 3. That's 16. Am I right? So, that's 16 carry 1. And then 6. Then 4. So 466, so 46,636. So since positive and negative, mag-iba sila ng sign, that is automatic negative. So negative 46,306. Okay? So negative 46,636 times ito naman. Ito yung sagot sa dalawa. Ito naman, yung dalawang square root of 2. So square root of 2 times 2 will give you positive 4. So negative 46,636 square root of 4 is 2. So let's multiply it pa. Times 2 pa ito. So 12 carry 1, 6, 7. Then 12 carry 1. Then we have 12, 13 carry 1. That's 9. So 9, 3, 2, 7, 2. So that's negative 93,272. So this is the score na nakuha ng red. Negative 93,272 is the score. Okay. So ngayon, meron na lang tayo dito pag, so ito. Now this time ito, pwede dito kumain yung dalawang scenario. Pwede pa ganyan yung pagkain ng pag-take ng blue or pwede naman pa ganyan. Okay, so ginawa ni blue ay bumalik siya. Kumain siya dito. So negative 49 square root of 8. Okay, times 36 square root of 32. 36 square root of 32. Okay, so kukunin niya ito. Then, to the coordinate 4, 1. Okay, 4, 4, 1. Now, let's compute for the blue. Okay. Okay, for the blue. Okay, so that is negative 49 square root of 8. So negative 49 square root of 8 times 36. Okay, 36 square root of 32. 36 square root of 32. Okay, so what we'll do is to simplify muna. Okay, negative 49 square root of 8 simplified is negative 98 square root of 2. And then, simplify din natin yung 36 square root of 32. That is 144 square root of 2. We have to multiply na. So, negative 98 times 144. So, unahin mo na siguro na yung 44. Tapos 98. Pareho lang naman yan. Okay, this is 32. Okay, 32 carry 3. So that is 32 plus 3. That's 35 carry 3. And then 8 plus 3. That is 11. And then 9 times 4 is 36 carry 3. 36 plus 3 is 39 carry 3. And then 9 plus 3 is 12. So 2, 11 carry 1. Then 11 carry 1, that's 4, 1. So 14,000. So negative times positive will give you a negative product. So negative 14,112. So naman, multiply naman yung mga radicands. So square root of 2 times 2, the answer is 4. So negative 14,112. Get the square root of 4. The answer is 2. So, ibig sabihin, mamultiply natin to by 2. So, 4, 2, 2, 8, 2. So, negative. Negative 2, 8, 2, 2, 4. So, negative 28,224 yung nakuha ng blue na score. So, negative 28,224. Okay. So, ngayon, ito naman, si red. Kakain din siya. So, 64 square root of 2 takes, okay, negative 9 square root of 2, but divide yung ating operation. So, 64 square root of 2, okay, divided by negative 9 square root of 2. Okay, kukunin na niya. Okay, so, what do you think is the answer here for the red? Okay, for the red, 64 square root of 2. Okay, so 64 square root of 2 divided by negative 9 square root of 2. So, negative 9 square root of 2. Okay. So, gagawin natin is, i-arrange natin vertically. So, 64 square root of 2 divided by negative 9 square root of 2. So, dito, no need to simplify kasi nakasimplify naman sila lahat. So, dito, divide natin yung dalawa. So, that's 1. So, meron na lang tayong sagot na 64 over negative 9. What do you think is the answer in lowest term? Pwede pa lowest term yung 64 and then 9? Pwede pa ba? Okay, hindi na. So, that is our answer. 64 over negative 9 for the red. 64 over negative 9. 64 over negative 9. Okay. So, halimbawa natapos na yung 20 minutes. Naubos na yung 20 minutes. Okay, tapos na. So, ang gagawin ay kukunin na lang ang mga natirang chips. Ito dito sa blue. Tapos, ito naman natirang chips ng red. Kunin, ilagay niya dito. Tapos, isusulat niya lang. Okay, so maglagay muna tayo ng bar dyan. Bar. Okay. So, lagay muna natin dito yung mga natira. What is left sa red. Okay. So, mga natira is 144 square root of 8. Okay, get the simplified form. Okay, mamaya na. Okay, so, okay na yan. Then, negative 121 square root of 8. Oh, 18. And then, 100 square root of 2. And then, 64 square root of 2. And then, negative 81 square root of 32. Para sa blue, sulat niyo 144 square root of 8. Then, negative 121 square root of 18. Negative 25 square root of 18. And negative 49 square root of 8. Okay. So, ngayon, ito total na natin. Okay, simplify muna natin dito. So, ilagay natin yung simplified form. 144 square root of 8 is 288 square root of 2. So, dito naman, negative 120 square root of 18, that is negative 363 square root of 2. Dito, same pa rin, 100 square root of 2, and then 64 square root of 2, and then negative 81 square root of 32. The lowest term is negative 324 square root of 2. Ito yung mga squares sa lahat. Okay, simplify naman natin dito. So, 154 square root of 8 is equivalent to 288 square root of square root of 2. And then, negative 120 square root of 18, that's negative 363 square root of 2. Ito naman, so negative 25 square root of 18 is negative 75 square root of 2. So, ito naman negative 49 square root of 8 is equivalent to negative 98 square root of 2. Okay, pagkatapos natin yan, ilagay yung mga natira, we will try to use the calculator. So, bawat player ay gagamit ng calculator para isolve. Para i-add lahat ng mga nasa column. Okay. So, let's start with this. So, negative 6 plus 73 square root of 2. Okay. 73. Yan. 73 square root of 2. Okay. Then, plus 32 over, so 32, it's negative ano? So, negative 32 over 49. Okay. Then, plus 9 over 4. That's 9 over 4. Okay. Then, plus 3,456. 3,456. Okay. Okay. Plus negative. Okay, negative 399 square root of 2. Okay. Plus, okay, that's negative 28,224. Okay. And then plus 288 square root of 2. And then negative plus negative 363 square root of 2. Okay. Then plus negative 75 square root of 2. And then plus negative 98 square root of 2. 98 square root of 2. Okay, so the answer is negative, grand total score is negative 25,584. 584.1. So negative 25,584.1 para sa blue. Okay, let's start the computation for the red. What do you think is the answer? Okay, let's start the computation. Negative 49 over 6. So negative 49 over 6 plus 55 square root of 2. So plus 55 square root of 2 plus negative 9,600. Okay. Plus negative 256. Okay. Then plus 1. Then plus negative 15,000. Okay. Then plus negative 93,272. Okay. And then plus 64 over negative 9, or simply negative 64, okay, over 9, plus 64 over negative 9. 64 okay, 64 over 9. 64 over 9. So over negative 9. Okay, plus 288 square root of 2. 288 square root of 2 plus negative 363 square root of 2, then plus 100 square root of 2, okay, so plus 100 square root of 2 plus 64 square root of 2, okay, plus negative 324 square root of 2. Okay, so the answer here is negative 118,396.8. Okay, so meron na tayo ditong grand total score. So sa red is negative 118,000. Okay, so tingnan natin, tingnan natin. So it's negative 118,396.8. Sa blue naman ay negative 25,584.1. So who do you think will win? Siyempre yung may maliit na negative kasi puro sila may negative. So yung winner is the blue team. Okay, so ilalagay dito ng arbiter, ito loss, ito naman yung win. Okay, so magsishake hands yung dalawang players at saka magpipirmahan. So magpipirmahan, halimbawa si John, si John de la Cruz, yung pirma niya ganito, tapos ito naman yung pirma naman ni Dave Santos. Okay, so pagkatapos may pirma ng arbiter, halimbawa si Monster sabihin natin John. Okay, Master John, wala akong naisip na pangalan. Okay, so magpipirma dito si arbiter. Pagkatapos, tapos na yung laban. Okay, so ito, i-circle nila yung winner. So the winner is negative 25,584.1. So that concludes the game of Damath, the Radicals. Thank you.